Hey everybody, welcome back to Abraz Around the House. Today I'm going to start a refurbishing of this 1962 Rockwell 15-inch utility drill press. As you can see, she's in need of some good TLC. I found it on Marketplace. Needed a lot of rust removal, but generally not in bad condition for the year, and definitely the table was something I looked at closely because it was not in bad shape either. Motor did work, which is a biggie, and we're going to start working on this. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and let's start this journey of making this into what it should be. Well, first step is just taking it apart, and so I'll start removing the belt there, and I'll start working on getting the motor off first. As I get to the wiring here, I do take a little bit of time to take some pictures of the way the wiring is set up, and this will help me later on when I'm putting it back together. It does go 110 or 220. Interesting enough, they did number, there's a label on each wire, which is very helpful. Using some WD-40 here to loosen things up a little bit, and anytime that I use a product, I will try to get your attention by putting something in the lower right hand side of the screen, and that will always be in the description of the video as well, with links to purchase those items. Well, I have applied the WD-40 a few times and gave it a good night to soak in, and hopefully things will be coming off easy today. So I'm sitting here contemplating the next move because I don't want to move too quickly. I like to see how things work before I take them apart, and makes it go together much easier. After reading the directions on the Evapo-Rust, I decided I better degrease it a little bit more before I actually use the Evapo-Rust. I did this on all of the large parts of the drill press that I had taken off, and any part that I would be giving an Evapo-Rust bath in. One of the things that I always try to do as I'm working is just clean up as I go. It makes things go a little smoother and keeps me organized. Evapo-Rust isn't the cheapest thing out there, so I strained it to reuse it for a later project. Thank you for viewing this first episode of this series in refurbishing the Rockwell drill press. I will be posting all of these at the same time, so be assured that if you go check out my channel for part 2, it will be there. Nothing more frustrating than trying to watch something completely if it's not there. Thank you again. Have a great day.